So we got a chance to redo the PA system of Pentecost Church, Herndon Central. Those are the new items we'll be installing. I'll show them to you at the right time. And yeah, here you are. There's the church auditorium, and that's one of the cameras. It's an old camcorder that they use. It's old, but it's doing the job for them. So I guess that's the most important thing. And this is the old tech booth, if I may say. And that's where they do their live stream, all the computers and other things. Yeah. And this is the old speaker. It's a full range, probably Privé if I'm not mistaken, with a sub. And this is their old drum. They're gonna get rid of it. We're gonna install a new one. This is a DPD, I think. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, it should be a DPD. And yeah, that's the other side, the right side of the speaker. Full range and a sub. I don't know how it sounds, but I'll have to probably try it and see. And this is the sound, I mean the drum cage. Yeah, I think I like this one. It's I like the acoustic stuff that they've done. And this is TFS 122. That is the monitor we're going to use from Turbo Sound. And this is the JBL EON 718S, the subs that we're going to use for this project. It's quite a good one. This is KSC K12.2. These are the full ranges that we're going to use. And this is the new drum, the Yamaha Stage Custom. So we started installing, and you can see Mr. Fred. He's the lead technician on the team. The most difficult aspect of the whole setup thing. We wanted to mount the speakers on the ceiling, you know, to give them, we could have just mounted them on the speakers with a stand, but then the best thing is to create some space. It's not a huge space, so you have to, I mean, make use of the space they have, do things in such a way that there will still be enough space for them to move themselves around, dance, and you know, it's a Pentecostal church, so you expect those things to happen. Along the line, I had to leave him and also start installing the P16 personal monitor systems. We had 4 for all the instrumentalists, and also move all their microphones from the other side. I wanted them to be close to the transmitters, that's the microphones themselves. So these are the receivers. As you can see, I had to move everything. And then this is the left side of the auditorium. I think the speakers were getting too close to the vent, so we had to move it a bit leftward in order to make sure that the vent is still has its own space. And someone decided to bring in the rack quite late, so I told them, man, it's getting late, so you have to assemble it yourself. And yeah, he got a few deacons to help him to assemble the rack, because that is where all the processors will be. The stage box and all the microphone receivers will be in the rack. So yeah, I think we are almost done with the rack. So these are the speakers, the subs. You can see the monitors, cute monitors. I like them, but very powerful compared to the old speakers. As you can see, everything is set up. P16 is ready. The guitars, the keyboards, rack almost done. And this is the old mixer board. I've forgotten which brand it was, but it seems to have done a great job for them. And this is the new one, the Almighty X32. For me, it's been the most purchased digital mixer of all time, if I'm not mistaken. It's a very dependable one. So yes, I would just allow you to enjoy the rest of the video. See you next time.